How to force quit any frozen apps on your MacBook or your iMac. So what you want to do, for example here, I wanna first close this Safari. And what you want to do is you wanna go to this Apple logo at the top left of your screen. And then choose force quit. And then on force quit application, you can choose Safari and choose force quit. Click force quit, and there you go. Or if you cannot click any of the screen, and you can use your keyboard by typing together Option, Command, and Escape, and it will automatically force quit application. You can choose and do it. Or if you really cannot do anything, you can press and hold on your power button for about 5 or 6 seconds to turning off your device. But please keep in mind that you may lose your unsaved progress. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.